We must climb higher, little bird. The dry bamboo is up there.
Okay, Papa. Look, the water hasn't reached the roots here.
It stayed dry. We can eat tonight. Careful, just the round ones.
I found 5.
Wonderful, my dear. There, come on, little flame. The cold can't catch us now. Nature provides the pot, little bird.
I got the best water, Papa.
A feast fit for survivors.
My tummy is singing. It won't stop.
Chuckles again.
It smells like home, Papa.
Eat slowly, little bird. We have enough.
Thank you. You have to try the sweet part.
The mountain is strong. It will hold us. Tomorrow we find the others. Sleep, little bird. I'm watching the path.
Papa, is the water still coming?
Hush. We'll need our strength for the climb at dawn. The sky is clearing, thank the ancestors.
Papa, look! The world is gold again!
It's a new day, little bird.
It's still warm.
Eat up. The path is steep today. Hold on tight. Almost to the ridge.
On the lookout, Papa! They're there! Papa, they're over there!
I see it! I see it!
We found them! We're safe now!
Yes, we are. You did it.
I see Grandma's red scarf! I see it!
Run, little bird! I'm right behind you!
Oh, my precious stars! You made it!
We saved the rice. We never gave up. Welcome home, brave one.
The soup is better than the berries, Papa.
Because we're sharing it with friends. Sleep well, little bird. We are safe.